The villagers of Matia Garopara in the Goalpara district organized an agitation yesterday, the 3rd of March 2022, against the granting of permission to set up a factory at the village of Matia, Goalpara district, Assam. The residents of the village said that the Gawan Panchayat President Shri Teji Mola Hajong had given the no objection certificate for the opening of the said factory in the village without their consent. The embittered villagers promptly submitted a letter of complaint to the Deputy Commissioner of Goalpara on 2nd of February regarding this matter. While the authorities have conducted a magisterial inquiry into the matter, the factory in question, however, continues to function uninterrupted till date. The major cause of the villagers' protests is the concern for the health and welfare of the people residing in the area. They have urged the concerned authorities to close the factory at the earliest.
হেমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ছাৰক আমি অনুৰোধ কৰিছে যে ই ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি ফাই ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিটো বন্ধ কৰিব লাগে।